Deep in the heart of southern Africa lies a vast and magical land. This is Tswalu Kalahari Reserve, an undiscovered pristine wilderness known as the Green Kalahari. A place of infinite skies and endless unspoilt savannas, where a diverse array of rare and endangered species will capture your heart. And the secrets of this breathtaking land will embrace your soul. You will come here in search of rarity and adventure, seeking inspirational travel, and you will leave enriched. Having discovered the real meaning of privacy and exclusivity in a truly mystical world. Tswalu Kalahari is not only malaria-free, it is also South Africa's largest private game reserve, stretching across 250,000 acres of sacred ground. The word Tswalu means a new beginning, characterizing our vision and our dedicated conservation goals. Restore the natural environment, re-establish biological diversity, maintain the natural ecological processes of the Kalahari. Accommodation is offered in 2 completely different camps. Each delivers a new meaning to the word luxury, and each redefines the expectation of an extraordinary African safari. Only 28 guests at a time can experience the magnificence of this arid savanna, its diverse wildlife, and the serenity of what may well be South Africa's last great wilderness. Tswalu is your private Kalahari.